Step by step to create a virtual card in Wise. First, open the official Wise website or download the application on your device. Enter your email and password or use biometrics to log in to your account. On the home screen, click on the Cards option located in the navigation menu. Swipe the screen until you find the Virtual Card section. Click on the Get a Virtual Card or Create Virtual Card button displayed on the screen. Choose the purpose of your digital card, such as everyday spending or safe online shopping. Confirm the creation of the card by clicking on the Proceed or Confirm button. The system will ask for your account security, password, or biometric authentication to validate. Enter your 6-digit PIN or use Face ID to authorize the creation process. Wait a few seconds while the system generates your new digital card instantly. Your new virtual card will appear on the screen ready for international transactions. Click on the card and select Show Card Details to view the number, expiration date, and CVV. Copy the details to vinculate your new card with digital wallets or to use in secure online stores.